Hello everybody. Today we will continue solving questions from AMC 2023, AMC 8. We have started and then we solved the first 14 questions. We will continue with question 15. So let's get started. Question 15 is a problem. So let's check the question and let's try to understand, because understanding is key for this type of questions. Wiswan walks half a mile to get to school each day. His route consists of 10 city blocks of equal length and he takes 1 minute to walk each block. Okay, let's try to understand now. Okay, so from here he goes to school and then regularly it takes the total distance 10 blocks. Okay, so let's write line by line. 10 blocks distance equals to what? 10 city blocks of equal length and he takes 1 minute to walk each block. Okay, so since from here to here it is half a mile, this means each block is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 blocks. 10 blocks distance is half mile, 0.5 miles. Okay, then one block distance is going to be, we need to divide this one by 10 miles. So the result is going to be 0.05 mile. Okay, so let's look at the duration. Duration is going to be, okay, so here he takes 1 minute to walk each block. So for each block he spends 1 minute. So he spends regularly, he spends 1 minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. Regularly he or Wisma spends 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the regular plan. What something is happening, something happened. Okay, so let's look at what's happening. Okay, today after walking 5 blocks, okay, so he walked from here. So he walked from here to here. Okay, maybe I need to use another color. So he walked until here, and then he discovered something. He discovers that he has to make a detour. Okay, so because maybe the road is closed and then he needs to make a detour. So maybe he needs to use this way. So he needs to use this way. Yes. Okay, in the new scenario, what is it? Let's find out. 1. What is the distance? So since each block is 0.05 mile, so how many blocks he needs to pass? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. distance, we need to multiply one block's distance by 0.05 times. Okay, the result is going to be 0.35 mile. Okay, so we know the distance. Okay, let's continue. From the time he starts in his detour, at what speed in miles per hour must this one walk in order to arrive at school at the usual time? Okay, so he spent until he comes here. He spent. Okay, he spends 10 minutes. This means for each block, he spends 1 minute, 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minutes best. 5 minutes best. And then the remaining. And there is 5 minutes remaining. Okay, so he needs to walk 0.35 mile, and then he has 5 minutes time, and then we need to find the speed. But we need to find the speed in miles per hour. So our distance is okay, it's mile, and but the duration is 5 minutes. We need to convert this 5 minutes into hour. Okay, so how do we do it? 5 minutes. Yes, we do it like this. So 1 minute, sorry, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Okay, so then we can cancel minutes. The result is going to be 5/60 hour. Okay, or if we simplify 1/12 hour. Okay, now we know what? We know the distance and then we know the time. Okay, so speed will be found by dividing distance by time. Okay, distance is 0.35 mile, and then time is 1/12 hour. Okay, so the result is going to be 0.35 times 12 mile per hour. Okay, so the result will be, okay, when we do our calculation, 35, 12, so 5 times 2 is 10, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 plus 7, and then 5 times 1 is 5, 3 times 1 is, so the result is going to be 402, but since we need to divide it by 100, it's going to be 4.2 mile per hour. So the answer is going to be B. The complete set. Okay. So this means it's going to continue like this, the same thing, QRP. Okay, so first 18 rows will be taken. So if you continue like this,